The digital version of Iman's book enables readers to interact with the text and with other readers using the Hypothesis social annotation tool. This capacity to directly engage with the text puts into practice Iman's ideas about digital rhetoric as an interactive and intertextual endeavor. Reading others' responses to the book and sharing your own responses adds a new layer to the reading experience. The sidebar to the right of each chapter shows options for viewing annotations. Clicking on the eyeball icon will show or hide annotations. The icons labeled 1 show where the annotations are in the chapter, and the number at the bottom shows how many annotations remain. You can view the annotations by clicking on the arrow in the right sidebar. Here are the annotations for Chapter 1. If you click on the annotation, the screen jumps to the section of the book that the user is commenting on. One user comments on Kenneth Burke's quotation, "Whenever there is persuasion, there is rhetoric, and whenever there is meaning, there is persuasion." They comment, "I like this connection and definition of what rhetoric is." Here we see 3 levels of intertextuality at work. The user comments on a statement by Burke as cited by Iman. Users also express their opinions on the ideas presented in the book. For example, a user responds to Iman's statement, "If nearly all human acts of communication engage rhetorical practice, whether explicitly acknowledged or not, then rhetoric as method can be applied to all communication events." They write, "Agreed." That's why words in all fields, whether handwritten or typed, have meaning, because there is rhetoric behind all types of communication. This is why our PSAs have meaning. The capacity for readers to publicly share responses to an author's ideas offers readers an agency that traditional print text might not as easily afford. This reflects Iman's insight that the digital interface erodes the distance between the rhetor and reader, producer and user. By signing up for a free account with Hypothesis and logging in, you can add highlights, annotations, and notes. To annotate the text, select the proportion of the text you wish to respond to and click Annotate. As an illustration, I am highlighting the phrase rhetoric, digital, and text, and writing the comment, "How are these terms interrelated?" You can reply to an annotation by clicking the reply link. You can also search the annotations and share an annotated page by clicking the buttons at the top. By sharing your thoughts and responding to others, you can join a digital conversation about digital rhetoric.